Hey, what's up guys, it's me, and today, we're talking about something that completely flips the home theater experience on its head. This is the Samsung 130-inch The Premier. Yeah, you heard that right, 130 inches. And no, we're not talking about a traditional flat-panel TV. This is Samsung's ultra-short throw 4K UHD Smart Triple Laser Projector, model SBUS P9 TFAXA. That's a mouthful. But trust me, what it delivers speaks louder than its name. Now right off the bat, this isn't your average projector. This is what happens when Samsung decides to take all the best parts of their TV division and mash it up with the versatility of a projector. You're getting true 4K resolution, HDR support, a 4.2-channel built-in surround sound system, and it's all packed into an ultra-short throw design. That means it only needs to sit inches away from the wall to give you a massive screen, like up to 130 inches of crisp, bright, cinematic goodness. Let's talk picture quality. The Premier uses triple laser technology, which means separate red, green, and blue lasers, not just a single light source. What that does is give you incredibly rich colors, deep contrast, and enough brightness to actually use this in moderately lit rooms. We're talking 2800 ANSI lumens here, so whether you're gaming, streaming, or just vibing with a film, you're not going to be squinting or closing all your curtains just to see the screen. And yes, it supports HDR 10+. That means your highlights are going to pop, your shadows stay detailed, and everything in between looks incredibly dynamic. Now here's what surprised me, the audio. Normally, projector speakers? Pretty trash. But this thing has a built-in 4.2-channel 40W surround sound system. And it's not just passable, it's actually good. Dialogue is clear, explosions are punchy, and you might not even need a soundbar unless you're going for the full Dolby Atmos setup. Speaking of smart features, this is Samsung, so of course it's running their Tizen OS. You've got all your streaming apps built in, voice control via Alexa, AirPlay 2, TapView, and all that smart TV goodness packed into a projector. This basically is a smart TV, just way bigger and way cooler. Build quality? Minimal, modern, and premium. The unit itself is sleek with a soft fabric grille on the front, all tucked into a matte white body that just disappears into your decor. No bulky black boxes, no ceiling mounts. Place it on a low media console and you're good to go. And let's not forget the ultra-short throw part. That's key. With this, you're getting a 130-inch screen while keeping the projector literally in front of you, just inches away from the wall. No need to wire across your room or worry about someone walking in front of the beam. It's plug and play on a whole new level. Now look, this isn't cheap. This is premium home theater territory. But when you consider what you're getting, 4K laser projection, built-in 4.2-channel sound, voice control, and smart TV features in one compact unit, it starts making a lot of sense, especially if you've been thinking about going big without putting a massive flat panel on your wall. So if you're all about that immersive experience, if you want a clean setup that turns your living room into a full-blown cinema, this might just be the best ultra-short throw projector on the market right now. Anyway, that's it from me. If you want to grab the Samsung 130-inch The Premier ultra-short throw 4K triple laser projector, check out the link in the description.